Oh, one left stand. Oh, yep, there you go, man. Guys, before this video starts, I just want to let you all know that this is my first video with my new 4K camera. I have run into some technical difficulties. It was really dark in this place, but I'm trying my best to upload this for you guys, and future videos will be better. With that being said, guys, I hope you enjoy. What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Get Real Vlogs, where being controversial is my only talent. Today, I have a special guest, our first collab together, Nate. Nate, can you please pronounce your channel for them?
Nate Perez Cunillera.
Okay, guys.
What is up?
So, first time here together in Albany. Sunset Lanes, abandoned bowling alley.
Yep.
I believe it closed down 2017, 2018. So we're going to jump through here. We're going to bowl some strikes.
Yeah.
We're going to make friends with homeless people. And we're going to check it out, guys. Yeah. See you inside. Guys, is I believe this shut down around 2017, 2018. Yep. There's some light. Look at that, guys. The light is here.
Oh yeah. There's probably some valuable stuff here too.
Probably. Is that a CD?
Yeah, right there.
Wow.
Let's see what we can.
It kind of does. Okay. Oh, looks like an intercom, probably. Oh, so this is something that you can see. Okay, so it's not what I thought it was at first. So explorers lately have been making stickers of their channel and putting it up on each place they explore. I thought that's what it was, but I'm pretty sure it's probably just a league that put their stickers up.
That's a pretty good idea too.
It is cool because it's not like you're degrading. You can peel a sticker off.
Right. You're not doing anything. You just.
Is this more lanes over here? Are these more lanes?
No, we've been here already.
Wait, we did? No, we were over here.
No, there's more lanes.
Wow.
But I'm lost.
Yeah. I guess we are. Look at this.
Yeah, look at that art.
That's pretty. Looks like a 10-year-old did it. Like I said, guys, this has not been abandoned for a long time. Maybe 3, 4, 5 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 2017, 2018, around that time.
Oh.
And apparently, I think it's an Asian supermarket wants to buy this, but I don't know why. It just doesn't seem like it can really be turned into anything much at this point. It's true. And also, even if it was sunny, I don't think it'd be too much help.
Yeah, it wouldn't be too much of a difference.
It's just so much darkness in here.
We're lucky we got them with this light.
Yeah, thank God I got this light.
Guys, make sure you check out these channels. Link in the description.
Oh, goodness gracious.
These guys natural.
Oh, look, if you want to creep in on the girls. What?
Up on the upstairs.
Okay. Let's see. I haven't seen anyone go upstairs in the videos, so.
Right.
Guys, if we fall through, we are here in Albany. But I don't think it should be too bad because it isn't very old. Not like the Adler at the top.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even go on that like you did. Once I saw you say, heck no, I didn't even try it, man. Definitely check for holes.
So at least we have more light. The motor's not too bad.
No, it's not too bad. I guess, guys, this could be like maybe a party. Yeah, party. It says birthday right there.
Oh yeah, it's like a party set.
Yeah, party room.
Yep.
Hi, guys, outside.
I wonder what this is. Here, guys, you see that?
Black mold.
It's black mold. And got my
Me too. But we're vaccinated, so.
look at this room. Is it cool? It's full of black mold. Need a fire extinguisher. Just check it out.
Yeah. Guys, if you do explore here, highly, it's so weird on this camera, guys. Highly recommend wear a mask. A lot of black mold, a lot more than I've seen in places in a very long time.
Yeah. I guess it's good because of all the mold.
Yep. And guys, I know that in previous videos I joke around that whenever I go to Albany, it suddenly seems to rain. When I was exploring the St. Joseph's Church, it rained. When I went to the concert the other week, it rained. And guys, once again, my whole ride here, nothing. But, you know, overcast. Now, rain.
Guys, this is black mold.
But hey, if we want some money, we got our ATM. Join Dean with the shoe tying break. Yeah, I don't blame you. Oh, here's all the shoes. Behind the register. Printing. Lots of mold. And of course, guys, at every bowling alley, laser tag, stuff like that, you see these crazy little rugs. A full Gatorade, a couple full Gatorades. And then, guys, there's also a tavern. Oh, what the? Dude, there's still alcohol and everything? That's wild. Wow. Boombox type thing. What can I serve you today, guys? We have Angry Orchard, ketchup, and lemon juice. Your choice, guys. On me. Some olives. That's disgusting. No, I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. It smells really bad behind here, guys. There's a coat, it looks like right here. I think it's a coat. Yeah. See if there's anything worth seeing back here. I think it's just bathroom. And sand. There's like a shirt. Yeah, there's like a lot of mold. Oh, what am I talking about? Here's your mask, man.
That's a studio here. As usual. Looks like a background.
Wow. That's a good shot.
Reached the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about this video of this entire place. And I'll see you guys in just a bit. And also, Dean, what do you want to say to the people watching?
It was a good first collab.
Yeah.
We wish the weather was a little better, but hey, nevertheless, we came here, we explored. Thank you guys for watching.
Yep.
And we'll try to get together again soon.
And I'll see you in just a